create something genuinely useful, so you feel like you're actually doing something, and sell it. And it all takes literally a few minutes, and it's almost like pushing a button how simple this is. If that sounds interesting, stay with me because I think you're going to love what I have to tell you in my review of Katie Quick Sales. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Cameron. I am known as the man with a hat. And that's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. And as regular viewers of the channel know, I am one of the very few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you are not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as well. Any pizza but the pizza in beautiful New York City, which is where I'm going to be next week. I am so excited. But seriously, no, everybody, there's plenty of places that have good pizza. I mean, there's Italian pizza, there's Chicago deep dish pizza if you like that thick kind of stuff. But I'm excited. I'm going to be in New York on Monday. So wish me luck with my flight during COVID. It's going to be interesting. But anyway, seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It is to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, this is really interesting stuff, okay? Pay attention for once. Stop complaining. The guy complains all the time. He's so irritating. Anyway, if he's work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
I thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, Liz is a sweetheart, isn't she? I love Liz. Who can say no to such a sweet person? Anyway, if you are new, make sure that you go ahead and smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I jump into videos. Because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video and comment down below, and let's get right into this. Of course, and you know, every now and then I see something that I've never thought of doing. Because I'm at my heart a writer. I love writing. It's something I've done for many years. I've actually written several novels. I actually made quite a nice living for a while writing romance novellas. It's not really my thing, writing romance, but people paid me good money to do it, and I wrote a whole series, and I actually really enjoyed doing it. Even though I don't really understand romance novels as well as you might think. But bottom line is, it is definitely something I could do. And, you know, I always thought to myself, okay, but if I'm going to write a novel, I'm writing it for the joy of writing a novel, because writing a novel can take years. You know, it's a big, big production, or writing a book can take years. It's a big, big production to make a book or a novel. And, you know, it takes a long, long time to make these things. And so I said, well, you know what? There's no way that I'm going to be able to make any money doing this. Or, I mean, if I did make money, look, you know, yeah, okay, so I could write a good novel. But unless it ends up being a Harry Potter, you know, okay, so I make a few $100 a month. That's not a living. And so, you know, I've written my novels. It's mostly just for me because I enjoy it. Well, along comes my friend Alessandro, and he really came up with something wild. So this is all about what are called short content ebooks. And I never thought this would be a thing. I have to be honest, I did not think that this would be a thing, but it is. Apparently there is a whole marketplace on Kindle for ebooks that you can read in 10 minutes or less. People actually spend money for these things. A lot of money, actually. You can see a couple of examples here on the screen. People literally do spend a tremendous amount of money buying these kinds of books. People like them because people are busy. They don't have time to sit there reading, you know, a 200-page book. They want to read 10 pages and that gets to the point and gives them information, and that's done. You know, and people make money from this. It's an absolutely amazing thing to me. Now, Alessandro and his partner are going to teach you inside of the course exactly how to pick the right topics, how to create these things. What I'm going to give you is something really, really special. First and foremost, in order to make sure that you're able to create good quality um, uh, ebook covers, I'm going to actually give you a free copy of my own graphic supremacy, which includes 10 fresh ebook covers. These are like the beautiful ebook covers that you can't buy elsewhere. That you'll spend $50 to pay somebody on Fiverr to make them for you. You'll be able to do it for free. I'm going to teach you how to use free software to edit them. In addition to that, I'm going to give you a huge leg up because basically what Alessandro's going to teach you is how to find the information that people want, assemble it into a book, and put it up for sale. But finding information takes time. So I'm going to short circuit that for you. I'm going to give you a set of 30,000 articles on a whole bunch of different topics that you can actually use to source information from. So you can use that material, source the information, and do it automatically. And finally, I'm going to give you my video on how to basically rewrite this material so that it actually is something that is going to be valuable to people and it's going to be completely unique so you don't get into trouble with Kindle. Okay, you're going to get all that stuff for free from me when you pick up Alessandro's Katie Quicksale's Empire. Let's go ahead and take a look at the membership. There's not a whole lot to see here. It's basically just a course, okay? And you can see here that he shows you how to like pick Google Trends and stuff like that in order to really pick the right kind of materials to create these things. So it's really going to help you out a lot. If you pick up any upgrade, by the way, what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to give you the upgraded version of Graphics Supremacy. So pick up the basic course plus any upgrade. You're going to send an email to my support staff, and we'll get you the OTO1 or the upgraded version of Graphics Supremacy with additional materials included for free. So let's see if I can give the tip management product creator
For the giant hat, sir.
I'll go ahead and grab this one. Very well worth it.